first, what we're supposed to do, we're supposed to just take a look at this number, okay? Later on, we're going to deal with the exponents. Now, the definition says the number on the left side of the decimal point is supposed to be between 1 and 9. That's why I have to move my decimal point 1, 2, 3, 4. My number gets larger. Exponent has to get smaller. I said we have to look at this number first. That's why I'm going to say this is 8.35 times 10 to negative 4. Remember, I just look at this number. So this number is equivalent to this one. Now, I have to copy this number, 10 to negative 3. This is my multiplier. Okay? Now you have to remember the definition of the multiplying the numbers with the same base. Okay? Anytime we have multiplication of two numbers with the same base, we have to keep the base and add exponents. That's why I'm going to have 8.35 times 10. Okay, I have to add exponents because I have the same base and multiplication. I have minus 4 plus minus 3. Positive times negative gives me negative. That's why I'm going to have 8.35 times 10, negative 4 plus negative 3 is negative 7. This is the solution to my problem. Okay, let's take a look at the second example. Okay, the definition says I'm supposed to have number on the left side of decimal point between 1 and 9. I have 890. Okay, so what I have to do, I have to move my decimal point twice to left. Okay, and again, I'm going to concentrate right now at this number only. Okay, so my number got smaller. Okay, so exponent has to get bigger. That's why I'm going to have 8.909 times 10 to the second power. Okay, the very first moment I just ignore this multiplier. Okay, and simply assume that this is multiplied by times 10 to 0. Okay, forget about this thing. Okay, so I'm going to have 8.909 times 10 to the second power. Okay, now I have to copy my multiplier times 10 to negative 4. Okay, anytime we multiply the same bases, okay, we have to keep the base and add exponents. That's why I'm going to have 8.909 times 10, and I have 2 plus negative 4. Okay, so this is going to be equal 8.909 times 10 to negative 2. This is the solution to my problem.